It's Gary from Designer Walls. I wanted to show you the we've got 4 samples of stone walling. My panels are extremely large, 3.3 meters long, 1.3 meters high. A lot of good detail in them. So let's start off with the Alps. Like I say, this is stacked natural mountain stone. If we have a look here, see on the side, these are our Yorkshire Stones. You can see there's plenty of detail. It's almost like a painted, like a washed, because you don't get much detail in the joint there, cement. Opposite, we've got a different colour of the Yorkshire Stone. Again, all 3.3 meters by 1.3. This is just random stone, you know, we call it farmyard stone. You see there in the farms, in the fields. It's just natural, like dry stone wall, but there is obviously mortar in there. And then opposite here, we've got our almost like Welsh Slate type. We've got this in black, but it's available in many different colours. Very easy installation. Just screw it to a wall, either a solid wall or a studded wall with MDF on it, plywood. Then at least you can get through to screw it. It'll come with the touch-up paints and the filler. Can't see anything more really. It's a bit clumsy to handle because they're very large. So you've got to bear that in mind when you're ordering. And that's it. Hope you like them. Thank you.